Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check in KLM Royal Dutch Airlines online. So firstly you need to open any of the web browser and next in the top list is address bar, type down KLM Royal Dutch Airlines and enter it. So from here you need to click onto this KLM Royal Dutch Airlines from the KLM official website. So over here, once you get inside this interface of your home page, next is you need to click over here under the check-in. And from the check-in, you can also check in with your account if you have, or you can also check in with your booking details here. Click over here as I'm going to select this booking details. And from here, you need to type down your ticket number or your booking code. And next is you need to type down your last name and type down your flight number as well. And after that, click over here and check in and follow the on-screen instruction, confirm your travel details. You can retrieve your booking and you can choose or change your seat. And after that, you can download, save or print your boarding pass. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.